You have heard this word a lot from me, but it's time to take a closer look. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have buralar. Bu-ra-lar. Buralar means these places around here or this area. Now, let's see some phrases first. In these places, to live around here, just in the area or in this area. Let's see the translation. Buralarda, in these places, like around here. Buralarda yaşamak, to live around here. Somewhere here, close by basically. Sadece buralarda, just in this area. Let's use these phrases in some sentences. Buralarda sakit yerler tapmak çətindir. Let's see, what does this mean? It is hard to find quiet places in this area. Do you remember a couple of days ago we used the word çətir? Does it sound familiar? Now this one is çətin. The two has nothing to do with each other. Çətindir means it's hard. Çətin, hard. Çətindir, it's hard. Sakit yerler. Sakit is quiet. Yer, place. Yerler, places. Tapmak, to find. Put it all together. Buralarda sakit yerler tapmak çətindir. It is hard to find quiet places in the area, but do you see how Azerbaijani sentences are built? Buralarda, around here, sakit yerler tapmak, finding quiet places basically. Çətindir is hard. Now, another sentence. O buralardadır. Uzağa getməyib. He or she is somewhere around here. He or she hasn't gone far. Buralardadır is somewhere around here. Remember, in Azerbaijani, O can mean he, she, it. So up to you, whichever one you want to use here. Uzağa getməyib, hasn't gone far. He or she, basically. Now, that was today's word, buralar. I have my way. My map says adventure. My feed says stay buralarda. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to explore more, I have an app available in App Store called Master Azerbaijani, and also a website, masterazerbaijani.com, where I post every 10 days, something that I believe you will find interesting. Cheers.